The European Space Agency's Global Development Assistance Programme (GDA) works at the intersection of Earth observation and international development. Developed in partnership with major financial institutions like the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank, GDA brings satellite data into the hands of those designing real-world solutions to global challenges. One of its most impactful thematic areas: agriculture. Today, agriculture faces growing pressure, from land degradation and water scarcity to volatile weather, food insecurity, and climate-induced shocks. Yet decision-making often suffers from a lack of timely, reliable, and scalable data. That's where GDA Agriculture comes in. Under GDA Agriculture, ESA has facilitated the co-development of Earth observation services with global partners, deploying tailored tools in over 10 countries across Latin America, Africa, and Asia. The goal: to support more informed planning, investment, and climate action in agriculture. Let's take a closer look. In the Himachal Pradesh region of India, satellite imagery from Sentinel-2 and Landsat was combined with machine learning to map soil organic carbon. The result? High-resolution maps of soil organic carbon can now be used to help the World Bank design carbon farming programs aimed at rewarding farmers who adopt sustainable practices. By tracking how much carbon is stored or lost in soils, local authorities can implement more effective land restoration efforts, with potential access to future carbon finance. In Vietnam, Earth observation helped tackle a different climate challenge: methane emissions from rice cultivation. Using radar data from Sentinel-1, the project mapped the flooding cycles of rice paddies critical for estimating methane emissions. This data is now available to inform low-emission rice practices, such as alternate wetting and drying, and to feed into national monitoring and climate reporting frameworks. In Indonesia, Earth observation services have been used to monitor evapotranspiration, crop performance, and water use efficiency in dryland cropping systems. These findings support the Asian Development Bank's work on irrigation modernization, ensuring that investments lead to measurable gains in productivity and sustainability. In Ghana and Belize, satellite remote sensing is enhancing food system resilience. Crop mapping, drought alerts, deforestation tracking, and suitability analysis were delivered to support national planning and investment prioritization. In Belize, satellite data is also guiding credit risk assessments, helping smallholders access climate-smart financing under the World Bank's CRESAP initiative. In Guyana, land cover maps and predictive urban growth models are supporting the country's ambition to develop deforestation-free value chains, including soy, rice, and poultry. These Earth observation-based assessments help identify where agriculture can expand sustainably while preserving forests and biodiversity. In East Africa, GDA Agriculture supported early warning systems for locust outbreaks, mapping egg breeding zones using rainfall, vegetation, and soil data. Meanwhile, in Paraguay, pasture productivity and vegetation health were monitored by Earth observation to support efficient and low-carbon livestock management strategies aligned with the National Development Agenda. What sets GDA apart is its agile approach. Earth observation services are developed in cycles integrating user feedback at every step. Designed to plug into operational tools or to support outputs are current practices, from climate-smart agriculture and farming extension to monitoring, reporting, and verification systems. This iterative process ensures that Earth observation services are not only technically robust, but also fit for purpose. GDA Agriculture is about more than technology. It's about partnership. By aligning with IFI programs and national priorities, the initiative has helped governments and lenders plan smarter, act faster, and build long-term capacity. Whether mapping soil carbon in India, crops in Belize, or risks in Ghana, the GDA Agriculture activity proves the value of EO in supporting evidence-based development. The numbers speak for themselves. Tens of thousands of square kilometers mapped, 9 operational case studies implemented, millions of farmers and herders, and growing demand from across the global south. With the power of satellites and the strength of global collaboration with international financial institutions and local stakeholders, ESA's GDA Agriculture activity is planting the seeds for a more food-secure, climate-smart and climate-resilient future, one pixel at a time.